Hey everyone, welcome back to the Midnight Lab and a very happy new year. We are starting 2026 with absolute fire. The AI landscape is shifting fast, and if you are a creator or run an AI influencer page, you know the biggest challenge isn't just making one good image, it's making a story. You need variety, you need angles, you need a full Instagram carousel to keep your audience engaged. But doing that manually, it takes hours of prompting and tweaking just to keep the face consistent. So, I've built the ultimate solution. Imagine taking just one single reference photo and instantly transforming it into a complete 10-slide portfolio. Different expressions, dynamic angles, perfect consistency all generated automatically. This is a complete social media drop, created in minutes. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell because we are about to dominate 2026. To pull this off, we aren't using the standard tools you're used to. We are leveraging the massive new drop from the Qwen team. Now, if you've been following the open source space, you know Qwen has been absolutely crushing it lately. They recently released two distinct models that look similar on the surface, but do very different things: Qwen Image 2512 and Qwen Image Edit 2511. Let's talk about Qwen Image 2512 for a second. This is their text-to-image generator. Think of it like a competitor to FLUX or SDXL. It is fantastic at creating stunning visuals from scratch. If you need to generate a brand new character or a wild concept art piece from thin air, 2512 is a beast. But for us, for AI influencers and character consistency generating from scratch is actually a problem. Every time you generate from scratch, you're rolling the dice on your character's face. You get variations you don't want. That is why today we are focusing entirely on Qwen Image Edit 2511. This model is built on a completely different architecture. It is an instruction-based editing model. It doesn't just hallucinate an image. It looks at the pixels you give it, understands the structure, the lighting, and the identity of your character, and then modifies it based on your prompt. This is the secret key to consistency. We aren't trying to recreate your character 10 times. We are taking your existing character and telling the AI to simply move the camera or change the pose. And to make this workflow truly autonomous, I've paired it with Qwen's vision language model, Qwen 3VL. This acts as the eyes of the system. It runs locally on your machine, looks at your character, and describes them perfectly to the editing model. So, we have the vision model seeing the image, and the edit model creating the variations. It's a closed-loop system running 100% on your hardware. So, let me show you how I built this engine. Alright, let's open up the Instagram Carousel engine. This is the dashboard where everything happens. First, right here in the top left is where you upload your single reference image. This is the source character you want to turn into a carousel. Next to it is the prompting group. You have two powerful options here: auto prompting, powered by the local Qwen vision model, and manual prompting, where you can take full control. And right here is the fast bypasser. This switch lets you instantly toggle between auto and manual mode with a single click. Besides that, here is the models group. This is where you load the Qwen Image Edit model, the 4-step Lightning LoRA for speed, plus your clip and VAE. Everything is standard setup. Over here in the text encoder, you have full control over your output resolution. It has a list of target size in the node itself. For this run, I'm selecting 1536. You can also experiment with different upscale methods here to see what gives you the best results. Below that is the final prompt window. This shows you exactly what text is being fed into the image generator, whether it came from the AI or your manual input. And finally, the output group. In the case sampler, you can set your steps. Now, even though we're using a 4-step LoRA, that's not a hard limit. You can push this to 8, 12, or 20 for more detail. For this first run, I'll stick to 4 steps for speed. Alright, let's run it. Watch this. The local Qwen vision model analyzes the image and instantly generates a detailed description.
A few moments later.
And here are the results. Look at that consistency of the images. Let's look each and every images closely. That's a perfect pose. great looking down pose. Here's hands up pose. Charming. See this cute, angry look? Oh, shocked look. This is beautiful Instagram pose. Wow! Look at her expressions. Look at this angry look. Beautiful looking side look. And all this from one image. Now, let's try a different character. For this one, I'm going to take the prompt Qwen generated for us last time, paste it into the manual box, and switch the toggle. This lets me use the exact same scene description, but applied to this new character. Hit run.
A few moments later.
And boom. Same poses, same vibe, but a completely different character. Let's see images one by one. The hair detail is perfect. Look at the skin texture here. Different poses, different expressions, different angles, full pose, close up. It's so perfect. This is ready for Instagram right now. Let's do one last example. Just upload, hit run.
One eternity later.
And there it is. Look at all the 10 images. Amazing what AI can do. Let's see all the images. A stunning portrait, closed eye pose, a side body shot. Look at the hair texture. A perfect candid moment. Full body shot, side profile, front profile, and so on. That is the power of the Carousel engine. It handles the variety while you handle the creative direction. And here is the final result. Just look at this feed. We started with one single static photo. And now, we have a week's worth of content. Notice the consistency. The face is identical, the outfit is perfect, but the vibes are completely different in every shot. We have candid selfies, full-body fashion shots, dynamic angles. It looks like a real photo shoot. This is the power of the Qwen engine. You aren't just generating images anymore, you are building a brand. So if you want to try this out for yourself, I've already uploaded the full workflow to the Midnight Lab. It's available for download right now for all my agent and ghost members. So if you're already part of the community, just head over to your library, grab the Instagram Carousel engine, and you're good to go. And if you're not in the lab yet, the link is down below if you want to check it out. It's where I share all my personal tools, workflows, and custom LoRAs so you don't have to build them from scratch. Thanks for watching, guys! I can't wait to see what you create with this, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll catch you in the next one.